Strawberry banana prime.
Hey, I'm not sponsored by Prime, by the way. If they should ask, I'm saying should ask.
Okay. Yeah, it's good. You know it's good. What are you doing? Why are you drooling? What was that? Hey, don't take out your enemies on the prime. What are you doing right now? He's doing this for the clip. This is for the.
He fucks with Bane. He fucks with Bane, man. Like, that's what he fucks with.
Bang?
Yeah, Bane.
They won.